Hello again, my fellow pilots and my fellow aircraft maintenance personnel. Your host is always Haitham Ali. I'm the Aviation Technical Instructor. Welcome to my Aviation Nuggets for today. Today I'm going to speak about the classes of fire. You know that the aircraft is always protected by a fire protection system. Some location like the engine, APU and the cargo compartment do have a fire detection and fire extinguish system. Fire detection and fire extinguish system. The engines or the APU are always have a fire detection loops, loop A and loop B, or loop 1 and loop 2. They are always located in the sensitive area of the engine to detect a fire, Okay. Once the fire have been developed, the pilot need to do the procedure for engine fire, which is isolation the source of fire, and then fire extinguish and release the agent on the sensitive area of the engine, like in the nacelle. In the nacelle of the engine. It is an external fire, it is a nacelle fire. Okay. So, the fire extinguisher bottles. What agent inside the fire extinguishing bottles for the engine or for the APU? It is a halon gas, bromo chloro difluoromethan or bromo trimethan, bromo trifluoromethan. Halon 1311 or halon 12, I think 09 or something like that. Bromo chlorodifluoromethan and bromo trifluoromethan. It is halon gas. Why halon gas is being used as an agent into the fire bottle for the engine and for the APU? Because the halon gas is the aviation #1 fire extinguisher, and the halon gas is the most respected agent and the most tested agent into an aviation kind of fire. Aviation kind of fire. So what kind of fire or what class of fire are the engine or the APU may be suffer? It is class B and the class C fire. Class B fire and the class C fire. In aviation, we always respect and we always take care about a flammable fluid fire, which is a class B fire, and an electrical fire, which is a class C fire. What class B fire or flammable fluid fire? It is a fire that a flammable fluid is on fire, like oil, fuel, or hydraulic fluid on the gas turbine engine. Okay. Nacelle fire or external fire happen in the nacelle or externally in the engine due to a leak may happen, like a fluid duct or fluid pipe carry oil or fuel or hydraulic running in the nacelle in a sensitive area of the engine because there is a very high temperature in that area. If this flammable fluid leak, it may be auto-ignite. If this flammable fluid leak, it may be auto-ignite. So it will be a class B fire. So it is a fire that has combustible liquid as its fuel, like fuel, oil, or hydraulic. And the class C fire is a fire which involves energized electrical equipment. Also in the avionics compartment, we care about class C fire because we do have an energized electrical equipment, computer racks in the avionics compartment. Also on the engine, we do have many electrical wiring running on the engine because the engine now is a FADEC philosophy or a FADEC engine control. So we do have also many electrical wire running on the engine. Okay, so from this short nuggets, we discuss the two most important classes of fire, class B fire and class C fire. And from the class of fire, it do have a certain type of extinguisher. So in aviation, we do have halon gas as a fire extinguisher for these two types of fire. Carbon dioxide may be also used, and it is good in case of class B and class C fire. But take care, we cannot use water, we cannot use any other chemical in these two classes of fire, so that all the aviation fire bottles for the engine, for the ABU, or for the cargo compartment having halon gas as the fire extinguisher in these bottles. Okay. In aviation, we take care about class B and class C fire. Outside of aviation or in the cabin, maybe we have a class A fire, a fire with solid combustible material such as wood, paper, and clothes. It is a normal fire that we all know. This type of fire, we can use water as the extinguisher in the fire bottle or in the fire as a fire agent water. This is a normal fire, wood, paper, and clothes. And the class D fire is a fire in which a metal such as magnesium burn. It is a metal fire. It is a metal fire. From these short nuggets, we understand now what classes of fire that aviation are care about and why we use halon gas as the extinguisher for this kind of fire, and all the fire bottle are having a halon gas. On my YouTube channel in the playlist, you will have a great playlist. I discuss the types of fire that may affect the engine fire and tailpipe fire. And also you will have a good video regarding halon gas. Why halon gas is the aviation #1 fire extinguisher. Why the halon gas is the aviation #1 fire extinguisher. So on my YouTube channel, Aviation Nuggets, you will have halon gas video and many other video to discuss the difference between engine fire and tailpipe fire and the different classes of fire that may affect aviation. Thank you always for your good listening, and always fly safely and maintain your aircraft very safely. From Cairo, Egypt, your host was Haitham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Please stay tuned for an upcoming sessions like this. And please take care that these sessions are a performance support session. It is not a formal training. So always consult your formal manual like flight crew operating manual, aircraft maintenance manual, or troubleshooting manual. Here on my YouTube channel, only you can increase your performance and your awareness regarding aircraft systems for my fellow pilots and my fellow aircraft maintenance personnel. Thank you, have a good day, and bye-bye.